Hello guys, good morning. This is Umakant. Yesterday morning I was talking to many people about how many relatives they have in their life, and people responded me that they have a lot of relationships and they have a lot of people whom they are connected with. So I told them, do you have relatives or do you have a connection with them? So people told me, asked me, what is this relatives and what is this connectedness all about? I told them, relatives are the people who are connected to us on the basis of the body. And connectedness is something that you are connected with some people where the exchange of thoughts is there and your hearts are flowering for each other, and there is a complete range of understanding between you and the other person. You are deeply connected with him, and you cannot say that you are related, but you can say that you are connected. Why I'm saying connectedness is because, see, if you look at the electrical wires, okay, these electrical wires are connected to each other so that there is a flow of energy. The flow of electricity is happening and the light is glowing. Okay, this is the flow of light and electricity and power. So when I am talking about a connected relationship, I'm just telling you that I'm asking you one thing: that are you connected? Is there any flow of energy which is happening between you both people? It may be a husband and wife relationship, it may be a daughter and son relationship, daughter or a son relationship, or it may be something, your father or mother relationships. There can be many relationships, or a friend's relationship, or any far distance relationship. Any relationship you take, if you are not connected, then there is no flow of energy, there is no flow of thoughts, or there is no exchange of emotions or feelings which is happening between you. In a relationship, if there is a flow of energy, if there is a flow of emotion, or if there is a flow of feeling, this is happening, and the other person is responding in the similar way as you, such kind of relationship, I call it as connectedness. Connectedness is what you require in life. You may have 100 relatives or 500 relatives. They are only related to your body, but they are not connected to you. You go to them, they come to you, because there is some bodily relationships, there is some bodily expectation, there is something which they are expecting from you and you are expecting from them, and there is something, you people want to meet at some occasions and you want to call certain bodily relationships. But there can be plenty, but what is happening is there is no exchange of emotions and feelings. Most of the times the so-called relatives are there to hurt you, and they are there to, show you lesser than them, and this kind of things happens in relatives. But what is happening in connectedness, this is a very deep and profound word, but what is happening is connectedness is there is a complete flow of energy which is happening between you and the other person. This can happen between lovers, this can happen between a relationship wherein there is no expectations and only there is a deep understanding between you and the other person. Yes, if you want to build something, don't build it something like periphery and you are not enjoying anything out of it. There is no flavor in that. In normal relationships, what is happening is that you are just related to another person because there is some bodily position which is there occupying, like a father or a sister's son, or a father's brother's son, and you value this kind of relationship pattern or a segment which they are linked to. So always, based on the type of relationship with which you are connected with them or related to them, you value that. But there is no actual connection which is happening. There is no actual exchange of emotions which is happening. So you guys, you need to understand, is there a flow of energy which is happening between you and the other person, or it is justly a simple formal relationship wherein you want to invite each other for occasions, you want to invite each other for some functions, and for some household activities which are there. And if you look deeply, you find there it is nothing but a normal relationship, connected to your father's side or mother's side or sister's side, somebody else. So how long you will furnish this, how long you will service such kind of hollow relationships? Maintain deep connectedness which is required for yourself to glow. So this is Umakant, and I'm just connecting to this nature around, and we'll speak about nice life topics in my upcoming videos. See you guys. Bye.